Hi guys, welcome and welcome back. This is Country Farm. Here we share with you videos of our farm where we keep chicken, we keep goats, and we also keep pigs. So today I want to show you one of the other pigs that we have here in the pig pen. I have mostly only shown one, and today I want to change and bring yet another one in the spotlight. Guys, I have like 4 pigs. 3 of them are still pregnant. One has given birth, and I've already shared with you videos of the progress of the piglets. So here I have our lady. The lady is tired and she just wants to rest. This lady is due to farrow in about a month and a half's time, so I will be having more piglets soon. And we named her Angely. She has been so far the most peaceful pig in this entire pig pen. This is Angely. She loves it when I rub her like this, when I rub her back, when you touch her just a bit. If she was standing up, she would just lie down and let you continue stroking her body. So she really loves it. So guys, I'm looking forward to having more babies, more fun, and yeah, more videos for you guys so that you can see how the farm is progressing so far. See, this is Angely. Angely loves it. When you stroke, she will lie down and close her eyes. She feels so nice. She feels really nice when I do this. And actually most of all of them, when they see me, I touch their back just a bit, and each will just go down and lay down. So yeah, so you can see the belly is full. She's just from eating, and now she's relaxing. So when the time comes, when she farrows again, I will keep you posted. I'll be sharing videos regularly of the progress of the farm. Thank you so much again for watching, and until the next one, see you.